Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Boost TV. I'm Emma.
And I'm David. Today's episode is super practical because we're diving into something that can instantly make your English sound more natural.
That's right. Today, you're going to learn 50 daily phrasal verbs, but not by memorizing a boring list.
Instead, you'll hear them in real conversations, just like native speakers use every day.
So relax, listen carefully, and try to repeat after us when you can.
Let's get started.
Part 1. Morning Routine. Hey David, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up around 7 a.m., but sometimes I sleep in on weekends.
Same here. After I wake up, I get up, then turn off my alarm quickly.
Yeah, and then I wash up, brush my teeth, and put on some comfortable clothes.
I like to make up my bed before I go to the kitchen.
Really? I usually just leave it behind and deal with it later.
Then I make myself some coffee and heat up breakfast.
Nice. I prefer to grab something quick and head out. 10 phrasal verbs covered. Wake up, sleep in, get up, turn off, wash up, put on, make up, leave behind, heat up, head out.
Part 2. Commuting and work. So how do you usually get to work?
I usually pick up a taxi or sometimes hop on a bus.
I try to cut down on taxi rides to save money.
Good idea. When I arrive, I always check in with my team.
Same. Then I go over my tasks and figure out what to do first.
Sometimes I need to deal with difficult email.
Oh yes, and sometimes you have to calm down before replying.
Exactly. And when work gets stressful, I try to take a break. Phrasal verbs covered. Get to, pick up, hop on, cut down on, check in, go over, figure out, deal with, calm down, take a break.
Part 3. Social life and friends. What do you usually do after work?
I like to hang out with friends or catch up with people I haven't seen in a while.
That's nice. Sometimes I just stay in and relax.
Or we can meet up for coffee.
Yes, and we always end up talking about random things.
And sometimes we run into old friends unexpectedly.
I love that. Then we usually plan out another meeting.
But sometimes plans fall through, unfortunately. Phrasal verbs covered. Hang out, catch up, stay in, meet up, talk about, run into, plan out, fall through.
Part 4. Shopping and daily tasks. Yesterday, I had to go out and buy groceries.
Did you run out of food again?
Yes, I also needed to pick out some new clothes.
Nice. Did you try them on?
Of course, and I had to pay for everything at the end.
Shopping can really add up, right?
Exactly. That's why I try to cut back on spending.
Phrasal verbs covered. Go out, run out of, pick out, try on, pay for, add up, cut back on. Part 5. Evening routine. What do you do when you get home?
I usually take off my shoes and sit down to relax.
Same. Then I might turn on the TV or log into my phone.
I sometimes look through social media.
And then wind down before bed.
Before sleeping, I always set up my alarm.
And don't forget to turn off the lights. Phrasal verbs covered. Take off, sit down, turn on, log into, look through, wind down, set up, turn off.
Part 6. Extra common phrasal verbs. Let's quickly go through a few more super useful ones.
You can give up bad habits.
Or keep going when things are hard.
Always look after your health.
And come up with new ideas.
Don't forget to work on your English every day. Phrasal verbs covered. Give up, keep going, look after, come up with, work on.
Wow, that was 50 phrasal verbs in real conversations.
Here's your challenge. Try to use at least 5 of these today.
You can say them out loud, write sentences, or even record yourself.
The key is practice, not perfection.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to English Boost TV.
And come back tomorrow for more real English practice.
Keep learning.
Keep growing and keep boosting your English.